Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use noise reduction in Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here on your PC if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Davinci Resolve, where we can get started with adding our files that we want to edit. So guys, we can go ahead and get started with adding our files by either dragging them directly from our folder right here or going to the file option right here, clicking import and starting to add the media. So we can go ahead and add media we want to use. After adding our files, it's going to be right here, and now we can get started with using the noise reduction effect for our files. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and drag and drop them into your timeline right here, the files that you want to use, and after dragging them, we can now go ahead and find them in the timeline right here and get started with editing them. So let's go and see how to use noise reduction. Basically, what we want to do first is go ahead and open up the music section right here at the bottom of the screen. Here is the music option that we can go ahead and click, and now we can go ahead and manage the audio of our files. So as you can see, here are our files, and we can go and select the clip that we want to use noise reduction for. So you can see here we can select it, and now we can go ahead and either use the mixer and use the noise reduction organically by ourselves to edit how we want the audio to change, or we can just go ahead and open up the effects option right here. Click on effects guys, and now as you can see here we have everything that we need, such as the noise reduction effect that we have right here. So as you can see, here's an effect called noise reduction. Now we can click on it and add it to our video to apply the effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.